This is the Commerce Show.
My country people, una well done. Una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where una for the watch this time. This Natafia news for inside Edo News Beat for inside the Ogbonge program what we call the Comrade Show. Una sabi say Tafia news na the Ogbonge program wey everybody fit listen to. We go hear am, we go understand am. The person when tanda to knack una the special tori as the day for this evening. My name na Comrade Lamte Oriahi. My people, tori don reach our table say Osiomo power plant when Governor Godwin Obaseki and in deputy Comrade Felix Shuaibu use all body take do. E don dey do American wonder for inside Edo State. Sake of say many facility now for inside Edo State don dey get 24/7 power supply. Wetin that one mean say they don dey seize light again for the place them when e be say Osiomo power plant don dey supply electric to. My people, this na big wonder for Edo people when e be say Edo people don dey enjoy. Another tori when e reach our table tell us say the College of Education, Edo College of Education, when e dey Abudu, e don near where they wan resume school. Sake of say Governor Godwin Obaseki and the wonderment deputy governor, Comrade Philip Shuaibu, don do all the work when they supposed to do, plus including all the building and the facility when it's supposed to be the College of Education, so that make our people for the enjoy better education. Inside the promise when the governor don already make, say they go make sure say education for Edo State na #1 priority. And they go make sure say for this administration, Edo education will be #1 example for the whole of Nigeria. Still talk and reach like that, see all the facilities don't be in place for this College of Education to dey train both students and teachers so that the future of Edo State will bright well. My people, inside the Ogbonge development when it be say Obaseki don dey do for Edo State, Obaseki don dey show say e no dey tire as far as say work wey concern Edo State e concern am. Sake of say Obaseki don still make another very big matter for inside the Edo newspaper, what we dey call the Observer. Sake of say Governor Obaseki and the Ogbonge deputy governor, Comrade Felix Shuaibu, the administration don buy better equipment when it be say now some of the best equipment when they use for printing for Observer. In use and talk reach like that, say he want make sure say the Observer when it be say now the Edo own newspaper, it go be #1 for the whole of Nigeria. Sake of say this equipment when he buy, so plus including all the plenty work when they do for inside the land when Observer dey, now the one when it be say everybody go happy with, everybody go enjoy. Sake of say it go give employment to many people and it go still provide all the kind of thing when it be say he suppose to do. Inside the Toru, Governor Obaseki can still use mouth talk and reach like that, say the entertainment hub when it be say in the create for Edo State to make Edo come become where be the headquarter for actors, where be the headquarter for musicians, where be the headquarter for anything when they get to do with entertainment. Say that entertainment hub, it go start to do American wonder before the end of the first quarter of next year.
Small production facility because of the presence of electricity, but in the village we'll still have amenities for sets, for sets to be acted, and for entertainers and the other participants in the business to spend time, much longer time. That's a much bigger facility that occupies quite a few hectares of land. This is where they will be doing their mixing, their production or post-production work.
Inside this matter, he use and talk, say all the thing we be say they're supposed to do for that place, they don't do them, the money they available. Sake of say the German people when the Edo State government they partner with, they don't ready to to make sure say this wonderment when they happen for inside Edo State, it go bring plenty job, come give our youth them when they get talent for inside acting. Will bring plenty, employment, come give our youth them when they still get talent for inside music. So the hope when they be say employment go take come to Edo State, no be small one. Everybody don't they jubilate, everybody don't they happy. Say cause say this na ogmonge pataki news when it be say it won't happen for Edo State.
This is essentially part of trying to get more done, get more young people employed, particularly as it relates to in the entertainment industry. With the cooperation we're having with the German government, the GIZ, the funds have already been made available, and we're hoping that by the first quarter of next year, the entertainment hub here will have started.
Instead use and talk and reach like that, say now inside this place, so inside this observer and all the plenty machine and facility when they put in place, the actors them, the musicians them, they will see where they do their work, they mix their music, they edit their film, they do everything. You can't talk and reach like that, say the way that they build the thing, in fact, the place now entertainment village, now they want call them. Anything when they don't call it entertainment village, now what it don't be like say you don't near the way America then they do something now it be like that. So Obaseki, they give hope, they give hope, they give hope and plenty joy to Edo people. Governor Godwin Obaseki don't still use mouth to talk him. The time when they be say the contractors when they be say come from Edo State. Come pay and visit, come say the greet and well, say cause say the way into they do the work when they do for Edo State. It can use math talk and like that. Say before all the kind fake things. Then when they happen for Edo State, all of them don't stop. He won't stop all of them. Say cause say before people they come, they will say they be contractor and they don't know the work. They won't carry contract for government hand. They will go sell them to the real contractors. They come, they make government, they spend money unnecessarily. And say that kind of thing is not going to happen again. That Edo State will know the contractors when Edo State get when they say they carry contract for Edo State. Not be say party person go come say in need contract they go give them with ogmonge big money when it be say at the end of the day he go sell the contract go give other people he go take in gain. Say all those kind of corruption, all of them don't stop for Edo State so that make Edo State for save money they do all the better things when it be say him they do right now. The people then the contractors then when it be say he pay and visit constantly happy say governor don't already get it back to make sure say he remove corruption, he remove dirtiness from inside government. Say they're happy where say they go work with government to make sure say Edo State will move forward the way it's supposed to be. Now, so my people, some of our women then when they be say they America, still in some other parts of the world when they call Edo diaspora women for GGO, when it's stand to take join many other groups and take support governor, they don't see pay governor visit. Inside this visit, governor use my talk and say in time them where in time everybody when he's supporting re-election, use my talk rich like that say in administration already get it back, particularly plus including for where in wife day to make sure say the place when it belong to women's them for inside our own society when we do state they go give them like that. Say for the other side, Betsy Obaseki when it be Ogbonge first lady of Edo State, woman when sabi well, don't still promise say he go make sure say he use a good office take ensure say all the women when it be say they Edo State and where belong to them nobody go take them from them. Make it be say equality good day, respect good day. Everybody go dey happy, they treat each other with respect. Make we not come get say we continue to get society when it be say oppress. Now man they oppress woman. Say it good say make women, they go encourage women to rise. Make you say that women go still dey better position for inside society. That way encouragement good day, equality good day. Everybody go dey happy. Edo go dey move forward. My people, Mr. Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, still use my talk rich like that, say, make Edo people stand with him. Make them dig it back with him. Make them stand, bam, to make sure, say, they join hand with him, when be the governor of Edo State, to make sure, say, this Edo better for all of us. Now, so my people, for inside the Tory, as the Tory them they go, many pataki people don't come out, come salute the governor of Edo State, come hail him where sake of say the way he they handle the matter when he do they with security for Edo State. For that matter, as that matter they go, the governor himself don't still talk say, yeah, not be the one when he be say today we go get peace, tomorrow we not go get peace. That him ready get it back to make sure say he bring permanent solution to the insecurity problem when we say it will happen sometime for inside those states. Think of say, as if this is the combined team of police, soldier, mobile police and vigilante don't they work to make sure say Edo they can't pay and everybody for everybody to enjoy this Christmas when they come. He say he don't already get it back to make sure say Edo State is stand get it back where inside the readiness when he ready. Come be say for area when they call upper when it be say it be experience many bad things this period. The governor Obaseki don't they make sure say input what you call better security architecture for that place to make sure say there is ground for upper area and all the environs when it surround that place. Edo people, many of them don't still talk, don't still happy well, think of say the way this governor think they doing thing. Come like say all the when they call the governor. We can see governor, say all of them now genuine we can see governor. Sake of say many things they happen when they be say the government not even they talk about, but they just they happen. So my people, that's what the matter reach. I thank una well una take join to listen and to hear the Tory as it be for this evening. I beg if you did there, you never follow the Comrade Show or you never like the Comrade Show, make you click like, make you follow. That is if you like, if you don't like, no wahala Sam. Now do well, this na the Comrade Show and the man went on that since the night the Tory. My name na Comrade Lamte Oriahi. As the Tory they come, we will gather around to call the Nakam as it be. Thank you very much. Unawado.
Make Comrade Show way. Comrade Lamte Oriahi. Live on Facebook and YouTube. Like us. Follow us and be the first to know. This is the Comrade Show.